Are you looking for the best home robots? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best home robots on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Roborock S7 Plus. The Roborock S7 Plus robot vacuum and sonic mop with self-empty dock is a high-performance cleaning device designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping tasks automatically. It features vibrorized sonic mopping technology, scrubbing floors up to 3,000 times per minute to remove dried-on stains effectively. Its auto-lifting mop raises automatically when carpets are detected, allowing seamless cleaning of mixed flooring. With 2,500 pascals powerful suction, it efficiently picks up dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors. The self-empty dock can store up to 60 days of dust, reducing the need for frequent manual emptying, while its advanced filtration captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, improving home air quality. Users praise its mopping performance and convenience, although some note that the dock size and the robot's return-to-dock behavior during low battery may be minor drawbacks. Overall, it is an efficient, smart solution for maintaining clean floors with minimal effort. Number 2. Shark R85 ION Robot Vacuum. The Shark ION Robot Vacuum R85, RV850, is a budget-friendly, Wi-Fi-connected robot vacuum designed for convenient, hands-free floor cleaning in smaller homes or apartments. It features powerful suction that effectively picks up debris, pet hair, and dirt from both carpets and hard floors, along with an XL dustbin that minimizes interruptions by reducing the frequency of emptying. Its self-cleaning brush roll helps prevent hair wrap, maintaining optimal performance over time. The R85 is voice-controllable via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, and its Wi-Fi connectivity allows users to schedule and monitor cleaning sessions remotely through the Shark ION Robot app. It offers adjustable suction levels for different floor types and uses Smart Sensor Navigation 2.0 to maneuver around obstacles, though it lacks advanced mapping features. With a battery life of about 60 minutes, it is ideal for smaller areas, providing reliable, efficient cleaning at an affordable price point. Number 3. AIRROBO Robot Vacuum. The AIRROBO T25 Plus robot vacuum and mop combo is a high-performance cleaning device designed to tackle various floor types, including hard floors, carpets, and pet hair. Equipped with a powerful 5,500 pascals suction, it efficiently picks up debris and dirt, ensuring thorough cleaning. The vacuum features a tangle-free brush, minimizing hair wrap and making it ideal for households with pets. Its advanced ultrasonic carpet detection allows the device to automatically adjust suction power when transitioning from hard floors to carpets, enhancing cleaning efficiency. The LDS laser navigation system enables precise mapping and efficient cleaning paths, while the app control allows users to schedule and monitor cleaning sessions remotely. Additionally, the T25 Plus comes with a self-emptying base station that has a 3.5 L dust bag capacity, providing up to 60 days of hands-free dust disposal. With a runtime of up to 240 minutes, it ensures comprehensive cleaning of large areas. This combination of features makes the AIRROBO T25 Plus a versatile and convenient cleaning solution for modern homes. Number 4. Roborock Q8 Max Robot Vacuum. The Roborock Q8 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop is a high-performance cleaning device designed to handle various floor types, including carpets, hard floors, and pet hair. Equipped with a powerful 5,500 pascals suction, it effectively removes dirt and debris from different surfaces. The innovative dual roller brush, featuring dual rubber brushes, enhances hair pickup by 20% and minimizes tangles, ensuring efficient cleaning on carpets. Its PreCSense LiDAR navigation creates detailed and accurate maps, enabling the Q8 Max to identify the most efficient route to navigate and optimally clean your home. The Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance System detects and avoids obstacles, allowing the robot to clean without interference. Additionally, the Q8 Max supports multi-level mapping, making it suitable for multi-story homes. Users can control the device via the Roborock app, which offers features like scheduling, no-go zones, and real-time monitoring. Compatible with voice assistants such as Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri, the Q8 Max provides a seamless and efficient cleaning experience. Number 5. Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum is a Wi-Fi connected, Alexa-compatible cleaning device designed to handle multi-surface cleaning tasks with ease. It features a tri-brush system, combining side brushes, channel brushes, and a multi-surface brush roll to effectively clean both carpets and hard floors. With a runtime of up to 120 minutes, it can cover large areas without frequent recharging. The vacuum is equipped with intelligent cliff sensors to avoid stairs and ledges, ensuring safe navigation around your home. Users can control the device remotely using the Shark Clean app, allowing for scheduling and monitoring of cleaning sessions. Additionally, the vacuum's compact design enables it to clean under furniture and reach tight spaces. While it offers a range of features suitable for everyday cleaning needs, some users have noted that it may not be as effective on high-pile carpets or in areas with heavy pet hair. Overall, the Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum provides a convenient and efficient cleaning solution for various floor types.